Hi, my name is Anastasia Silvia Anabagit, and my metric number is 83266. Let me introduce you to Leesing, a well-established logistic company based right here in Sarawak. Leesing has been around since 1951, and over the years, it has grown to serve all the major towns and cities across Sabah and Sarawak, and even Brunei. The head office is located in Miri, but their strong presence throughout the region has made them a trusted name in logistics. What makes Leesing stand out is their vision. It's all about connection. They believe in connecting people, businesses, and communities through logistics, helping everyone move forward toward a better future. Their mission is to become the top choice for logistics in the region by delivering high-quality service, offering innovative solutions, and creating long-term value for their client. Besides that, Leesing live by three key values. First is connected. Leesing take time to really understand their customer and work with transparency. Second is committed. Leasing build strong, lasting relationship and take pride in doing things right. And lastly is creative. Leasing always looking for better and smarter way to get things done. So what does leasing do? Well, leasing is all about making logistics easy and reliable. They offer land transport service, including door-to-door and express delivery, which makes it super convenient for business and customer. They also take care of custom clearance for East Malaysia and Brunei, so things move smoothly across border without any problem. Leasing also handle breakboat service for consolidated cargo, and they provide a full range of warehousing and distribution service, that including things like racking, storing, and even repacking goods to fit customer needs. On top of that, they offer third-party logistics, manage consolidated shipment, and handle forwarding and shipping service too.
Hi, my name is Delisa, and today I'll be explaining from 2.1 until 2.5. So for the 2.1, which is refers to the transportation, so Leasing Logistics, they have their own list of vehicles to help them with their transportation and distribution. So for example, trucks and trailer, and then they offer two types of delivery, door-to-door and express delivery. And they have a different code for a different type of shipping. For example, K1 is for international shipping. So all of the shipping, they have their own label, and sometimes they can see if each of this area can apply for tax exemption. Yeah, moving on to the warehouse. So they have 7 warehouses across Malaysia, but we're talking about specific warehouse, which is in Kuching. So in Kuching, they have 7 warehouses. So for this each warehouses, they have the system of inbound and outbound. Inbound is for receiving the inventory, and outbound is for distributing that. So from the slide itself, you can see there's for each of the warehouse, they have their own label or reserve product. Reserve product is stored in the warehouse itself. Moving on to the industrial packaging. So for the industrial packaging, they normally use reinforced carton, wooden crates, stretch film, and also pallets. And then for the material handling, for the special care, especially for the Bawang Niaga, they have the warehouse, the whole warehouse is actually air conditioned to preserve the medicine as well as the supply from getting expired too quickly. And then they check the quality, or they're having a quality checks before storing in the warehouse. This one is especially for the machinery, and they wrap it in a cupboard to protect it from the dust. So for the material handling at the Leasing Logistics, the item are scanned as soon as they arrive. So this is to ensure a real-time tracking. So they use the forklift, pallet jacks, and conveyor to actually move around the inventory. So each warehouse, they have their own PIC to oversee everything, and they have fans for ventilation to keep the inventory cool. Last but not least is the inventory control. Like I mentioned before, they scan the inventory as soon as they arrive at the Leasing Logistics to allow a real-time tracking, and they use the first in, first out method. This one is to avoid any expired inventory from going out. So for the Proton warehouse, they apply this Japanese principle, which is Kaizen, and also that focus towards a small daily improvement in the workflow. So they actually have a bulk outline at the loading area to guide the systematic packaging. This is to save time and improve order. And secondly, the second principle they apply is actually Hoshin Kanri. This one is to align daily tasks with the company goal, and then they have visual boards to show targets, progress, as well as the objective. So each spare parts has its own PIC, and then they actually have a printed out visuals to have staff stay focused and stay motivated. And last but not least is clean and organized environment. So they're managing inventory flow to keep their section clean and safe. So they do a daily housekeeping like cleaning, sweeping, etc. And they reduce damage and mistakes, accidents. So with that is all for my presentation. Thank you so much for watching.
Hello everyone, I'm Paulina. So let's move on to Leasing Logistics activities, which is on your performance. Leasing Logistics provide end-to-end performance services from door-to-door deliveries and express shipments to advanced warehousing. With a 302,000 square feet warehouse in Kuching and 468 hectares including reflects trucks, they ensure fast, accurate, and secure order handling. GPS tracking and on-call system boosts delivery precisions, while frontal goods are handled with extra care. They use demand forecasting based on the data from over 7,700 outlets and clients like Coca-Cola to free stock fast mover and optimize routes, ensuring timely deliveries even in remote areas. On top note, our manufacturer Leasing support productions by delivering raw materials and finishing goods on time. With hubs in Miri and Benelux and specialized seller, they align smoothly with clients' production schedule. Visual tool management like the daily event reports help prevent overproductions and delay. In procurement, this company manages vehicle and social acquisitions, and handle custom clearance efficiently, especially to East Malaysia and Brunei. Their workforce capabilities and strong supplier network helps reduce delay and costs. Some of the services include on real-time tracking, training stock which is to ensure faster response time and fewer errors. This company also invests in smart technology like automated storage and retrieval system, which is ASRS, reflects their forward-thinking approach and commitment to quality service in long term.
Good morning, I'm Yvonne Chung-Wen, and today I will be presenting our group's findings on leasing logistics on their behalf. Specifically, I will cover 4 key logistic activities, which is facility locations, return goods handling, parts and service support, and salvage and scrap disposal, based on our industrial research and analysis. So, first of all, Leasing Logistics on Berhad is a logistics service provider headquartered in Kuching, Sarawak, with additional operational branches in Cebu, Bintulu, and Miri. The company offers a range of logistics services, including transportation, warehousing, freight forwarding, and supply chain consultations, catering to business across East Malaysia. Leasing's facility location strategy is based on regional accessibility and customer proximity. The company's main hub in Kuching is supported by branches in Cebu, Bintulu, and Miri. These sites are located near ports like Senari Port, major routes, and commercial zones to reduce transportation time and cost. Choosing location in East Malaysia are lowest operating expenses compared to Peninsular Malaysia, making the strategy both efficient and economical. This secondly, the benefits of facility distribution. This distribute facility model and enables leasing to manage logistic operations efficiency across different regions by decentralizing operations while keeping system integrated. They can achieve faster deliveries, reduce lead times, and scale service to meet customer demands effectively. In the area of return goods handling, leasing has a structured system to manage various types of product returns, such as damaged goods, incorrect deliveries, and customer rejections. Returns can be initiated online or through a service hotline, followed by the issuance of return authorizations. Once returned, goods are inspected and categorized for restocking, repair, or disposal, depending on their condition. Leasing uses return tracking software to maintain real-time visibility throughout the reverse logistic process. This technology has prevented dispute, ensures accurate documentation, and enhanced the overall customer experience by making the return process smooth and transparent. The third part is the leasing maintains its delivery fleet and warehouse equipment through a dedicated in-house maintenance team based in Kuching. Vehicles are serviced every 10,000 kilometers, and equipment like forklifts undergo regular inspection. The company also collaborates with all EN suppliers such as Isuzu and Hino for spare parts and repairs. A digital system tracks all service records, ensuring accountability and preventive action. This proactive maintenance effort reduces operational downtime and ensures that the fleet is always in top condition. This is essential not only for safety but also for delivery goods on schedule, maintaining the leasing's reputation for reliability. Leasing, salvage, and scrap disposal processes focus on sustainability, where such as damaged goods, worn out vehicle parts, and packaging materials are sold at the source. Recyclables are sent to certified partners, and hazardous waste like used oils is handled by licensed disposal agency. This not only complies with Malaysian environmental laws but also reduces waste management costs. In support of green logistics, Leasing encourages its clients to use returnable packaging systems where possible. The company promotes a circular economy approach by salvaging usable parts and recycling materials. All disposal activities are documented for full compliance with environmental regulations. Yeah, that's all from me. Thank you.
Leasing Logistics Sdn Bhd is a top logistic provider in East Malaysia and Brunei. It offers services like transportation, warehousing, 3PL, forwarding, boat, cargo, and insurance. Key clients include Nestle, Lazada, Panasonic, Coca-Cola, Pharmacy, and Podua. The company serves various industries and focus on strengthening customer and supplier relationship using the 5W1H strategy. Firstly, strategic supplier and customer partnership. Leasing Logistics can grow stronger partnership program with key clients. This includes special service packaging, performance-based reward, and priority access to delivery and warehouse slot. This boosts long-term efficient and supplier reliability, especially with top clients like Nestle and Coca-Cola. Number 2, AI for inventory and shipment tracking. Next, the company should use AI to improve real-time tracking and prediction. This help reduce delay, cut costs, and increase delivery, especially in busy areas like Brunei, Kuching, and Kota Kinabalu. It's also a great fit for industry that rely on sport like health, car, and electronic. Number 3, review meeting. Regular review session with client and supplier are key. This meeting can be held in person or online to discuss service issue, track performance, and explore new opportunity. They also help build stronger communication and drive innovation together. Number 4, digital transformation focus. Leasing should upgrade logistics in Brunei, Kuching, and Kota Kinabalu with smart warehousing and road optimization tool. This will help improve fuel efficiency, reduce human error, and boost accuracy. It shows Leesing's strong commitment to modern driving logistics. Number 5, CRM and SRM integration. Adding CRM and SRM system like Salesforce and Zoho will help improve customer service and supply coordination. This system allows faster response time, few error, and better service tracking, especially helpful in high demand market. And lastly, locality and co-branding marketing program. To build brand loyalty, Leesing can launch reward program and co-branding campaign with partners like Lazada and Produa. This could include share advertising, even invite or reward credit, help improve retention and show Leesing as a customer-first brand. Conclusion, by following these 5 W1H based strategy, Leesing Logistics can boost digital innovation, improve service delivery, and build stronger supply and customer relationship. This keep the company competitive in East Malaysia and Brunei and prepare it for the future and of logistics.
In conclusion, Leasing Logistics Sdn Bhd has proven to be a strong and reliable logistics company in East Malaysia and Brunei. With a wide branch network, a well-equipped fleet, and a specialized warehouse, they serve various industries like FMCG, healthcare, automotive, and e-commerce. They use modern systems like GPS tracking and inventory control to ensure a smooth operation. They focus on customer service, technology, and sustainability to strengthen their reputation. Overall, with strong partnership and continuous innovation, Leasing Logistics is ready to meet market change and stay competitive for the long term.